Hi, I'm Jason Robert, a career advisor at University of Phoenix. Today we'll be covering how you can write a resume that may help you get noticed. Writing an effective resume is all about understanding the employer's needs and then proving that you have what they're looking for. It's not just your qualifications, but also the words you use to describe why you're uniquely qualified. Most employers use applicant tracking software that search for keywords to determine how well your resume matches their job description. Use resources like LinkedIn and Indeed to find jobs you're looking for and include those keywords from the job description in your resume. There are a lot of styles and designs to choose from, but the proper format can make it easier to skim your resume to see what you offer fast. Keep your resume 1 to 2 pages max. Make an outline that places your most valuable assets at the top. Pick a design that's uncluttered and not overused. Use professional font and type size. The first part of your resume is usually a summary of your qualifications that should reflect the strengths you have and that the employer is looking for. Begin this section with strong action verbs to describe your experience and accomplishments. When writing your summary, remember these helpful tips. Start strong to ensure the hiring manager knows you're serious, interested, and qualified. Read the job description and tailor the summary to the requirements by adding relevant keywords. Use action verbs to better describe your experience and accomplishments. Clearly define your skills and showcase what you learned in school if you don't have a lot of work experience. And add any job-relevant credentials, such as licenses or awards, to show your qualifications and initiatives. Avoid common mistakes like stretching the truth, using an unprofessional email address, or having grammar and spelling errors. It's always good to use spell check, read your resume out loud, or ask a coworker or family member to look it over. Whether you're dusting off an old resume or entering the workforce for the first time, career advisors can help ensure your resume is a good fit for the roles you're pursuing. It can also be helpful to periodically refresh your resume by updating your summary, skills, and current position as your career progresses. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you like today's video, visit our YouTube channel and check out the rest of this series. Click on the link in the description to download our guides, which cover these tips, additional insights, and career resources. Thanks for watching.